All right, so welcome back to another live trading session. And in 30 seconds, the market will open and then we'll start. So here you see the 5 minutes, here the 1 minute, and we already went up there and mitigated the hourly. So my target is down here. 10 seconds. We're aggressively going higher here, so that's definitely already the Judas. Opening range cap is strong bearish, so that's nice. So if we take out a couple of these levels, that would actually be pretty nice. Okay, we tapped up quadrant, nice. Okay, this will definitely be FOMO inducing today, so I definitely have to watch out. This 15 minutes should not play a role, but we definitely have to take something out here. And if we get in all the way up here, then also data lows might be interesting. Well, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But ES is also going higher first. It's nice. First buy side taken out here. Clean levels. I like that. Let's mark up the 15-minute gap here as well. Yeah, let's just stick to the 15-minute here for now. 2. All right, I'm already placing my tool here. This will be the lowest target here. Question is, where will we put the stop loss? For now, I have to put it up there. But I want to see an MSS, not just the inversion here, but a real MSS to the downside. And maybe another gap so I can get this one in here. But let's see. Okay, nothing yet on the 1 minute. Obviously we still have liquidity, so there is a chance that we will get lured into an entry here, and then we will take out this and then later on go lower, but that's worth the risk, definitely. Risk 180 over here. That's exactly one contract. Okay, now we're already getting heavy. Taking out one at the CE. Taking one out down here as well. We definitely have to watch out with the 50-minute here. Let's see if we will swipe right through. Place a stop up here. That was pretty fast. Definitely have to watch out. The thing is, there's also a 5-minute in here, which will also act as support for now, which I obviously don't like, but it should not be an issue. Oh, now we're getting aggressive. Yeah, that's exactly what I expected. Let's see if that's it or if we're actually gonna go higher here. Using the 50-minute as support. But that was definitely to be expected. Let's see how it reacts. If we close all the way down there, it would be nice. 5 seconds. Okay, I will cut the stop right above this wick. I don't want it to dabble it. I don't want it to dabble around in this area too long. So if we're not getting heavy, I might just go break even. We'll see. Really want to see us get heavy here. Next cut is going to be the C of this one. To the front. 1 minute till 5-minute close. 1 minute 10 seconds. Okay, I'm already gonna cut here. I actually think I'm gonna go break even here. Because as I said, I really wanted to drop down immediately. Don't play around too long. Nine seconds, so 5 minute close. That's a good close. I like that. Okay, I'm out. I don't need more. I'm content with this already. All right, that was a very, very quick session. Okay, 5 minute close below, but still the 15-minute could hold, so I'm a bit scared here. That's why I left, but this could just also be a 5 minute retest, but I don't want to risk it. You know, we were close enough here, and boom, I would have been kicked here, break even. So I'm actually proud about this exit here. Usually I try to hold for my targets, obviously, but here I don't know, the 15-minute was kind of unsettling for me, to be honest. But it will probably work out. This was just a retest of the 5 minute. Yeah, let's see. In the meanwhile, we'll quickly check. That was 1,600. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, there we go. This looks good. My entry, it was okay. It was okay. Not great. I could have entered with the first day and retest here. But it was okay. And boom, there we go. Target hit, and that's probably also gonna fill. But today I only had 2 contracts and 1 had to get off here, so I'm already okay with that. Classic 90-minute HL, so 90-minute high taken out and then 90-minute low. Very clean. Bueno swing, as I like to call it. I already coined that from Patty Swing. Yeah, so that was a classic bueno swing for me. Great. Let's see if it takes out these levels down here. That would be nice to see. But also on, no, 50-minute didn't close yet. Never mind. But we'll probably close below now. Another 1 minute here. One and a half minutes till 50-minute close. Now we took out the 50-minute trend liquidity. So past that point, I will not look for any continuation trades into this, because we might just take out this, move higher, back into the 15-minute and then go lower, you know. So looking for immediate continuation on the 1 minute here is not a good idea. Now, if we were to close above this 1 minute gap and then reclaim it to the downside, then it might be a valid trade, but we'll see. We'll see. right, hourly high hit. Now probably will go pretty fast here, filling these strong draws here, and far range low, so that's pretty clean as well. As you see, we had that range, so this is the next level to take out here. And then we had this clean gap on the hourly right below, which is clean, because we have sell side and then a gap to be filled. So I really like that. Okay, 50-minute closed here. Yeah, close below, down here, all the way down there. It's nice. See, we stopped right before the draw. That happens often. Stopping right before the draw, either grabbing something up here, or we're just gonna continue straight through. Let's see. And come on. Boom, there we go, for our low hit. Let's see if we can get our last target down here, and then I'm done for the session. So I'm only looking, obviously I'm already out with both accounts, but I still want to see this being filled because that was my analysis, and it's always nice to see if the analysis plays out. I hope y'all are not intimidated by my giant ass mug. It's 32 ounces of tea. It's crazy. 2 minutes till 5-minute close. We might get the next 5 minutes, maybe retest that and then hit the CE of the hourly. Might be the case, but it looks like we're gonna get it here in a second. Did it hit it? Boom, there we go. All right, so that sums up the market for me today. Entries were okay. Obviously I was only able to get in 2 contracts here, and I had to get one off at the CE here. I just had to. Second one, exited a bit early because of the 50-minute. I was scared. I definitely could have done this better here, but today I simply didn't have the capacity in terms of contracts to hold for these targets down here, but I definitely outlined them and wanted the market to take them out. So I could have made a lot more here. This was super clean. Buena swing to the upside, clean distribution lower into the hourly, but I'm still content. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. That was my first live trading video, basically. I'm looking to do that more often, just to hold myself accountable for rule breaks and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you and see you next time. Bye. Peace.